Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I have a good one for you. We have been wanting support poles for the Bimini forever now. So we finally have teamed up with Carver Industries. I will link them down below in the description. They were awesome enough to send me 2 different support poles for this Bimini. This is a Carver Bimini, and if you haven't seen my very first video on the Bayliner Element with the owner review, I'll link it up top or something. I did show how much room it takes up in the back of the boat. It is laid down in the back, so I will show you a quick clip of how much room it takes up, and you will see how important it is to have a support pole system. So without further ado, I want to show you what they have sent me. I will link everything down below of where you can get it, pricing from different websites, and what it all entails. Alrighty, so if you have not seen in the videos my Bimini top up, it has a front and rear strap support system. So I have to hook it in the back, then we have to pull it to the front and then strap it. So these support poles are going to really come in handy. Now the first one I want to show you is, it is a Carver Brace Kit. It is solid. These can be trimmed to go to a specific height, whatever you want. Our main objective is to get the Bimini, while it's still closed, above the wakeboard mark. If you do not have the Bimini up before you put wakeboards on, in my situation, you have to take the wakeboards off and then put the Bimini up and then put the wakeboards back down. You have 2 of the supports. It comes with your upper top brackets. Here is the bottom bracket. Now, if you do cut them, these are riveted on. They do actually provide you with more rivets to install the cap. You just have to have a rivet gun. Alrighty guys, so the second poles that they sent me are going to be the adjustable poles, which I think I'm going to love more than the other ones. Those are going to be in a fixed position. These are going to allow me to fully adjust the Bimini to what I want. Extend and retract. Simple as that. Now, once again, there is one for each side. It does come with all of the same mounting hardware. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, the 2 different support poles. Thank you once again to Carver for sending these over, letting us, everyone on the channel, try these out. So maybe if you don't have one, you can pick a set up. Super cheap option. Once again, all the information is down below. Carver Industries. Pick a set of these up. Next week, we're going to be doing the install. I'll show you how simple it is, and I will give you in-depth clips, how it's taking up room, and how these support poles are really going to help. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video. Thanks again, and we'll get these installed.